Hello everybody. Today let us learn about atomic structure. What is meant by atomic structure? Atomic structure is nothing but if you take any object, it will be made of many materials. In that the smallest particle is called atom. Now into that we are going to learn today basics. Fundamentals in chemistry. Matter. Anything which has mass and occupies some space is called matter. Suppose if a cell phone is there, then it will occupy some space and it will have some mass. Then that is called matter. And in that we will learn the chemical classification of matter in deeply. The classification of matter is divided into physical classification and chemical classification. Physical classification is nothing but touching the objects like wall, pen, water and oxygen, like this all. Now there are four in physical classification of matter. They are solid, liquid, gases, plasma, Bose-Einstein, condensate. We know all this. And in chemical classification there are pure substances, mixtures. These pure substances are divided into elements, compounds, metals, non-metals, metalloids and noble gases. These are the parts of elements. Now let us learn about these pure substances. The substances containing only one kind of atom is called pure substances. You may get doubt. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide means it is the combination of carbon and dioxide. As I said before, in pure substances there are two types, elements and compounds. Carbon dioxide is a compound. Indirectly it is a pure substance. The examples of pure substance before I showed iron, silver, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. Pure substances are further divided into elements and compounds. Elements, the substances which cannot be broken into further by physical or chemical means. Means nothing but firing or doing something to melt it, but elements doesn't melt. Examples are hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, carbon. And now let us discuss about shorthand notation of an element is called symbol. The shorthand notation is nothing but the shortcut or short form of an element is called symbol. Symbols of elements with single letters. The symbols of elements are with one letter and sometimes with two letters. That are the types in symbols. The elements in one letters are used only one letter. What I showed figure now. Hydrogen H, oxygen O, nitrogen N, carbon C, fluorine F, sulfur S, phosphorus P, iodine I. As I said before, carbon dioxide is not that you are thinking, but that is a pure substance, but element is a part of a pure substance, but carbon dioxide doesn't come into elements. Now let us continue what I am saying before. And there is symbols of elements with two letters. First letter is capital and second letter is always small. There are two in two letters. They are, one is only of starting two letters, another one is they have other names in other languages which have been derived. Now let us learn only the starting two letters. Aluminium, Al. Bromine, Br. Calcium, Ca. Chlorine, Cl. Barium, Ba. Helium, He. Magnesium, Mg. Manganese, Mn. Nickel, Ni. Platinum, Pt. Silicon, Si. Zinc, Zn. There is a important thing, that is we have to not use capital in second letter. We have not use capital in second letter. Now let us discuss about with Latin names. Latin names or other names. I will say clearly. Antimony, first Roman is element, second Roman is Latin name, third Roman is symbol. Antimony, stibium. Antimony Latin name is stibium. So the symbol is SB. In this there can be starting two letters or middle of the two letters or sometimes ending of two letters. Copper, cuprum, Cu. Gold, Rm, Au. Iron, Fe. Lead, plumbum, Pb. Mercury, hydrogen, Hg. Potassium, Kalium, K. Silver, argentum, Ag. Sodium, natrium, Na. Tin, stannum, Sn. Tungsten, wolfram. Wolfram is a German name and the symbol is W. Here for wolfram there is only W, only single letter, but also it comes under it have been derived from Latin names. So these are the type of the symbols of Latin names. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our Parakanla Narayanrao channel. Thank you.
లో అక్షరాలు 56 ఉన్నాయి.